Hello, hello. Tonight we are having Donna Jean pizzas, and we are starting with the Iron Man. This one has caramelized onions, mushrooms, spinach, a creamy white sauce, and a balsamic drizzle. So we're gonna try this out first. This is an authentic San Diego date night. Oh yeah, you can't see any of that. Oh well. Oh man. This one is really good. I wish you could see it better. I'll put pictures. Could really taste that. That balsamic reduction.
Really good.
This is one of Donna Jean's kind of newer pizzas. You might have seen it in my birthday vlog. Check that one out. Yum. This is still the Iron Man. Super good. Next pizza here is the Pie on Fire, another new one. It has harissa, so I think it's gonna be spicy. Mozzarella, vegan of course. Little tomatoes, I think that's basil, and some red onions. So I'm a little nervous for this one, but I think it's gonna be good. Let's try. This one is the Pie on Fire. Here we go. Oh, that's different. You're right. This one has almost like a slight citrusy flavor to it. I wonder what that is.
Yeah, it's like a little fruity.
It's not overly spicy either. That is really creative. Really different. I wonder if that's the harissa itself, that they put that lemony kind of flavor to it. Really good. Never had pizza like this before. I usually don't like red onions on pizza either, but it works well on here. It's not too strong. Wow.
Very different.
Yeah. Props to Donna Jean chefs. They're really creative. The prices are really good too. You're not gonna be able to say that. Yummy. Ooh, this one looks good. This one is the Gold Lion. It's another new one. It has roasted garlic puree, broccolini, vegan cheese, crispy fingerling potatoes. Can't wait to try this one. Oh snap! Oh my gosh! Dang! Wow!
Pretty garlicky.
I don't know what to say about it. Yeah, but it's like pleasant though. It's not. Potatoes on pizza, now that's something good. It kind of like reminds me of mashed potatoes a little bit, like those cozy home cooked flavors. It reminds me a little bit. There's this other pizza place in San Diego that has a vegan pizza menu, and they put roasted potatoes on some of their pizzas, and it's really good. It's called Zia's. If you're in San Diego, you can check it out. I haven't been there in a while. This is fantastic, though. Oh my god.
Very good.
I don't know how to rank these, man. I would say most unique / creative one would be the what's it called? Pie on fire. The one with the harissa. Man, I thought the Iron Man was my new favorite from Donna Jean, but I really like this one too. Comment below. Which of these pizzas would you try if you were in San Diego and could stop at Donna Jean? Or if you have been to Donna Jean, have you tried any of these? Let me know what your favorite is. Comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Hit the notification bell, and we will see you on another video. Bye. Alright, yeah. I think the lighting's the best, but I would say let's see. You can see that. Oh.